Welcome to Wise Flow. Let me ask you something simple, but powerful. Can you speak English from day one? Even if you only know 5 words like hello, yes, no, thank you, and water? The answer is yes. A big, clear yes. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need a big vocabulary. You don't even need a classroom. What you do need is a method, a mindset, and the courage to start exactly where you are. In this video, I'll show you how to speak from day one, even if you're nervous, even if you make mistakes. Because speaking English is not about rules, it's about connection, confidence, and communication. So stay with me, step by step, and let's begin. Chapter 1. Speak first, learn later. Here's a truth that could change how you learn English forever. You don't need to wait to speak. You don't need to study for months or memorize 1,000 words before opening your mouth. You can begin today, even if your sentences are broken, even if you make mistakes. It doesn't matter. What matters is that you speak. Many learners say, "I'll speak when I'm ready," but that day never comes. Why? Because they're afraid of mistakes, of sounding silly. But waiting is the real mistake. Speaking is not something you do after learning. Speaking is learning. Each word, each sentence, even one you say builds your brain and your confidence. Let me tell you a story. Maria, a student, said she knew no English. I asked, "How many words do you know?" She said, "Hello, yes, no." I smiled. "Perfect. Let's start." On her first day, she spoke 3 words. I said, "Coffee?" She said, "Yes." "Tea?" "No." "Hello, Maria." "Hello." It was real, it was fun, and she smiled. Each day, Maria learned a few more words. "I like music." "You funny man." Still not perfect, but she was speaking. After 1 month, "I go to the store to buy an apple." Not perfect, but clear, and that's what counts. After 1 year, she was fluent. Why? Not because she studied all day, but because she spoke every day. Chapter 2. Build sentences. Like Lego. Learning to build sentences can feel hard, but what if it felt like playing with Lego? Think of this. 1 sentence equals 1 block. Let's start with a block. I want. Now add anything. I want pizza. I want to sleep. I want water. Then try, I have a book. I need help. I like music. I'm going home. That's 5 blocks and 5 words. Guess what? You just made 25 different sentences. And with just 20 new words, you can make hundreds. You don't need 1,000 words. You need the right pieces, like a taxi driver in Thailand. He never studied grammar, but he spoke well. He used patterns like, "You go where?" "You want a taxi?" "I'll take you to the airport." His sentences weren't perfect, but he made a connection. That's what Lego English is about. Not repeating, creating. Chapter 3. Use your life as a classroom. You don't need a classroom. Your life is your classroom. Every moment is a chance to learn. Cooking? Say, "I'm cooking rice." Walking? Say, "I see a dog." That tree is tall. Washing dishes? Say, "This is a spoon." That is my hand. These are not small sentences. They are powerful habits. Try the mirror trick. Look in the mirror. Talk for 2 minutes. I am tired. I want coffee. I feel happy. You'll get used to your voice. You'll feel more confident. And try shadowing. Repeat what you hear. Cartoons, songs, podcasts. One cleaner in Brazil watched cartoons every night. She copied 1 line a day. 6 months later, she was speaking full sentences. 1 year later, I became fluent. That's the power of real-life learning. Chapter 4. Talk to people, even if you're scared. Speaking with real people is scary, but it's also the fastest way to grow. Don't wait until you feel ready. You get ready by speaking. Start small. Say, "Hello? How are you? Nice to meet you." Ask simple questions. Where are you from? What's your name? Do you like this? Then give short answers. I'm from India. Yes, I like it. No, not really. Try yes-no games. Do you like coffee? Yes. Me too. Simple, real, English, like Amir, a shy student who practiced online. One sentence a day turned into fluency in months. One conversation changed everything. So be brave, talk, even one word is progress. Chapter 5. Mistakes are your superpower. What if mistakes were your superpower? Because they are. If you're not making mistakes, you're not learning. Babies say funny things all the time. I want to. You go there. No eat. Do we laugh? No, we say, good job. You are learning just like a child. Polyglots make thousands of mistakes, and that's why they speak so many languages. So celebrate mistakes. Use a mistake notebook. Write your error. Then write the correct sentence. I am going home. I am going home. Repeat it. Train your brain. Use the 3-time rule. See the same mistake 3 times, and it disappears. Remember, the problem isn't mistakes. The problem is fear. You can't grow without falling, so fall with joy. One of my students made 5 mistakes on purpose every day. 6 months later, she spoke with confidence because she trained her muscles. You can too. Chapter 6. Make English a habit. The secret to fluency isn't grammar. It's not vocabulary. It's habit. Not once a week. Every day. Just 5 minutes. This is the 5-minute rule. When you wake up, say one English sentence. I feel sleepy. I want coffee. While brushing your teeth, listen to English. When walking, name what you see. This is a car. A boy is running. At lunch, talk about your food. This is hot soup. I like chicken. Use the mirror trick again. Talk to yourself for 2 minutes. This is not about studying. It's about living with English. Like Ahmed, a busy delivery driver. He had no time for grammar, but during breaks he listened, repeated, and practiced. 1 year later, natural English. Not from books, from life. So stop saying, I study English. Say, I live with English. It's part of your voice, your mind, your heart. Because you're not just learning English. You're becoming bilingual, brave, global. If this video helped you believe that you can start speaking English from day 1, then don't stop here. Click like to show your support. Subscribe for more lessons that guide you step by step. And please leave a comment, even one simple English sentence. I read every one, and I'm proud of you. You've taken an important step. Now go out there and speak English. Not tomorrow, not next week, today, right now.